A CRCL stock analysis and price predictions next week, Monday. Super interesting. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief 1-minute video till the end to find out. Now, I'm the only person in this space with an actual 43,000 video track record and 5 years of experience. No one else has come even close. And all this is going to look like for me genuinely is just a demand zone, right? And in demand zones, I typically look for what? For longs. Now, because I've seen this happen over and over again, I don't doubt that maybe Monday just crashes to grab all the liquidity, and then from there I'll look for shifts to take it further up yet again. But from where we are right now, I'm just not going to assume stuff, and I'm ready to buy, pull the trigger if there is a double break. And if not, it's all good, you know what I mean? So with CRCL, I've got about 29 results in the Discord, so that's Gucci, and there's not really lack of coverage on CRCL, but also there's not going to be just me randomly coming in here and buying. I'll still stick to my edge. So therefore, if you want to stay tuned to get my money making emails and insights for free, then just click the first link in the description. See you in the next one. Goodbye.